work hard for MBBS like in India NEET, but if it is not working, then let's not waste time, because you have to study a huge span of your life to become a doctor. So no need of wasting time. Hello, my name is Prerna Patnaik and I'm doing first year course MBBS in Vinitsa National Medical University. I didn't actually plan of coming here. I was preparing for NEET, but unfortunately my marks was not that much required, which it is required in government medical college in India. So I thought of not wasting any more time. And if you want to become doctor, nobody wants to waste time because it's a huge education process. So I had planned to come here. Because like many seniors I know from my like a school or college, they are studying here, and they recommended me to study in Ukraine because that is one of the best place known for MBBS abroad. So that's why I chose to come here. So like before coming here and also after coming here, they had helped me in every documentation process. And like before coming here, Alok sir he has his office in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So he had said us all the steps required, all the processes like visa and passport, all that we need to come here. And then after coming here, our agent had come to our respective rooms and had taken all the documentation required for signing here also. So it all went smoothly. We didn't have any problem after coming here. Documentation process was something like we need to give our passport, visa, and then our 10th 12th certificates before coming here. And after coming here, we also need the same, like we need to sign here everything, and of course need 20 marks here, qualification marks, and that's how it. And you need x-ray report. So yeah, so many other students consultancy didn't have their x-ray report after coming here. They had to rush to the hospitals. They didn't know the language. They had to rush to the hospitals and do the reports. But our consultancy had said it in India only, so we were prepared, and I personally had no problem after coming here. Yeah, we were said by our agent that how it's gonna work, like how after you reach there, what all they'll ask you for, and what all the steps required in airport. So that's all we were said, and it all went nicely. Arrangement was all nice. When we reached here, we were given food for the first day because we all were new to this place. We didn't know this like any language, nothing. So we were given required food and all. And then second day, our agent took us to the local market or markets here to buy jackets because it was winter that time. So we had come in December, so it was winter. So we were all new to the place and we didn't know the routes where to go and what. So our agent took us to the markets to buy jackets and caps, what all necessary items for winters. So that's how it all went. Slow by slow, we got acquainted. The facilities in hostels are very nice. It's very safe. First of all, like no other other students are, only particular students who belong to that hostel they're allowed, and other students are not allowed. It's quite safe, and even the rooms are very clean, and the kitchens, the bathrooms, all are very clean and very private for girls and boys also. Okay, the study pattern is very amazing and interesting because it's not like India. Unlike India, we have 60 students in one lecture and one lecturer, but here it is like we have different groups and each group has only 10 students, and the ratio is one lecture is to 10 students. So each student will be given equal importance, and all the the doubts will be cleared by the teachers, and we'll be having we have everyday class tests. So based on that class tests, you'll be decided whether you're eligible for the semesters. So for that we have to study every day. So that's a way of keeping in touch with the books every day. So So there's no much difference between online and offline classes here, because teachers have always been friendly, and even if they take exams like Viva or something, like if they take exams like Viva, they say us to, like your whole body should be visible on camera, because like they make sure whether there should be no cheating, because usually it's a myth that online classes happens and cheating, students do cheatings. So, and they even say us to close your eyes and answer the questions. So that's how it is, it becomes, quite strict for us. Teachers are very nice, very cordial, very friendly with everyone. Even there's no any difference like you're Indian or you're Ukrainian. There's no difference like that. They even give they become more friendly with Indians. They acknowledge our culture, tradition, and very good and very friendly. Management of the university, like it's divided into departments like anatomy department and physiology department. Physiology is will have in second year, like anatomy department, med bio department, and histology, and med physics, chemistry. So it's divided into different departments, and we'll be having like deans for each department, senior lecturer, assistant professor, like that. And even we have deans for hostels. So that's how is the management process here.
Do you feel
Yeah, of course. Honestly, if I say, I have seen a lot of change in me after coming here. Like I have learned to become self-independent and self-confident, because when we are in our homes, it was like you're succumbed to only one place, restricted to one place. But after coming here, even like we learned new things, we explored new things, new places, and we learned about the education pattern in different places. And yeah, it's very beautiful, peaceful area to study a huge, respected study like MBBS. It has helped me a lot. Like every month, unlike other consultancies, every month our agent visits our hostel and he asks about your well-being and how, like, your new year, is everything fine, are you sick, do you need some help, like that. And whenever we need any help, they've always been with us. So it's they made us quite comfortable after coming here. The message I would like to give to the future aspirants is that work hard for MBBS like in India, NEET. But if it is not working, then let's not waste time, because you have to study a huge span of your life to become a doctor. So no need of wasting time. And it's a very beautiful place, very peaceful, and very nice, serene place. You can have your best place for studying such a huge course. So don't waste time and come here, and the materials, the books, the teachers, everything is perfect here. So